Okay, so I waited for the laser to cool, and I'm going to burn a few more things. So I have some like black plastic, so I'll start with that. Wow. So it cuts right through it easily. Next, I'm going to use a zip tie. Okay, so let's see if I can cut through this. And it cut right through. So that's awesome. Next, I'm going to burn a chip. It's just like a tortilla chip. And it easily burns through it. Sorry for the background noise. So here's what it did to the chip. It really burned it. So now, next I'm going to burn just a piece of paper. Let me turn the laser back on. Now, this might actually catch on fire. Yep, I just saw a flame. Did go back out. Yep, now it's on fire. So I'm going to throw that over there. And this is on ceramic tile, so it's not going to be a problem. Now, here's a wooden stick. It's actually set it on fire. There was a flame when I did that. That's crazy. It's on fire. We probably can't see it because the laser overpowers it, but it's on fire. Next, I'm going to burn a pen. It's just a pen. It has like black rubber on it. I'm going to burn that. So, whoa. That's crazy. I could probably cut it in half. This laser is insane. You can literally cut through plastic with that. That's insane. And sorry for the background noise. The weather's turned to crap. Cut through a zip tie. Cuts through plastic with ease. Now here's a knife, plastic knife. It burns right through it in a couple seconds. It's that powerful. All right, so I don't want to overheat the laser, so I'm gonna turn it off now. That's probably all I'm gonna burn for today. So thanks for watching. Yeah, the laser's pretty hot. Again, I don't want to overheat it because it's real hot. So I need to stop. Thanks for watching, guys.